Is your PC lagging when you open multiple apps? Let me show you the fastest way to boost performance in Windows Task Manager. So the step one is doing a right click in the Task Manager, in the Start icon, and open Task Manager. And here we will go to the Details tab right here, and I'll maximize it. Now find the program you want to speed up, and we will set the priority why exactly. Here, let's say you need to check, let's say if you're running a game or running any audio or video editor, you need to check firstly what exactly the service name is running. So for an example, I want this crisp to set the priority. Then now Windows will now give that app more CPU power and making it run smoother while pushing less important tasks in the background. So I'll just do a right click in that, and here I have the set priority. You can select from normal to above normal, or you can set the high, but please make sure if you make it real time or high to all the apps which you use that may cause instability in the computer. So you need to remember, right? So try this and see the difference, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more easy Windows tips. Have a wonderful day. Take care.